Hey mate, welcome to the Urloker Office portal. Hope you've received your login credentials via email. Go ahead and log in using those details. Once you're logged in, this is your dashboard. On the top right side, you'll see a countdown timer. This shows how much time you have left in your current session. When the time runs out, you'll need to log in again. If you scroll down, you'll find the weekly tasks and inbox sections. On the home page, you can also find links to download the Partner app from the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. You can access the Task section anytime from the navigation bar as well. Now, let's take a look at the Tasks section. You'll notice that Week 1 is currently active, while Week 2 is disabled. Week 2 will automatically become active when it begins. Here, you can see all the tasks that need to be submitted for the current week. Just focus on completing each day's task. There's no need to finish all 7 days in 1 or 2 days. Click on Day 1 to open a task. Make sure to read the task description carefully. For example, this task asks you to subscribe to Urloker official YouTube channel. Click on the link, subscribe to the channel, and take a screenshot as proof. To submit your evidence, go to the Submit Evidence section. Click on Choose File, select your screenshot, and upload it. Then, write a short description of what you've done in the evidence report. After that, click on Confirm Submission. Once submitted, you'll see a blue Pending badge at the top left, which means your submission is under review. You can also use the inbox to directly communicate with our admins. When your task is approved, you'll see a Done status with a tick mark in the Task section. Be sure to check your inbox as well, as our admins may send you important messages there. That's all for today, mate. Thanks for watching.